The back. Uh-oh, here comes the fire engine. What's up with that? I'm sorry that it's loud in the background. Uh-oh, we're gonna do it like that now. Uh-oh, we got the lights and the things. What we gonna do? Somebody call an ambulance. What you say, girl, over there I see? Looking really pretty as you talk to me. Say it a little louder, yeah, whisper in my ear. Girl, cause it's really, really hard for me to hear. Oh my God, why that? I do that if you show me that bag. Get out there and dance, girl, let me see. That'll be you like paying me a fee. Come on, girl, in the purple, let me see you as you work it. Come on over here, let me see you in your skirt quick. Yeah, that's right, get out on the floor. Now I talk about that team. Now, yo, she hate Bama. She hates a Bama. She hates a Bama. She hate her Bama team. She hate her Bama. She hate her Bama. She hates Bama. But if you know what I mean, then drop it low for me. Drop it low for me. Drop it low. Before you go for me. Drop it low one time. Come here, sunshine. You gotta drop it low. Come on, that's the fun time. See you in your heels. I can't believe you are leaving. Well, you at least should throw $1 to me in. If you ain't gonna throw $1 in right, you need to drop it low, cause that body is tight. Come on now, girl. Yeah, you know what I want to see. Want to see you over here just shaking for me. Come on, at least your girl to get her back. She like, nah, I'm too scared to do all of that. Well, that's okay. All right now. No, I ain't trying to cause no fight now. All the people out here that see me, they like, this is better than what's on TV. Yeah, hey, my people that what's over there. Listen to the rhymes here, which I gotta share. Bright light over their spotlight. Yeah, this is how we do it. It's a hot night. And if you like what you hear for sure, yeah, pick up a CD before you go. Yeah, CD's only 10. Yeah, thank you, my man, for coming up and throwing another $1 in. Yeah, the guy in the back, hands in the air. Yeah, we got love for everybody out here. People over there, who is that girl in the stripes? Looking very gorgeous in that black and that white. Thank you, Texas fan, for coming up once again. I can tell he's having fun. Yeah, I've been seeing him for about 15 minutes over there. He's even standing. Listen to the way that we party and way we jamming. Got his friend over the camera up in his hand. My lady with the cigarette, glad that she's a fan. Yeah, I got the party. He even gotta get close and listen to the way I rap, cause I'm no joke. Talk outspoken, yeah, that's true. Yeah, we gotta flow. Hey, what's up with you? Who's this girl over here standing by the pole? Hey, sexy girl, where you about to go? Don't be embarrassed, gonna be nice. Girl, I wanna see you dance, yeah, that's right. Oh, you want a picture? Well, I smile for you. Yeah, oh, is this the guy? Yo, is that you do? Yeah, see him with the iPhone. Welcome to my zone. Thank you so much, lady. I thought that y'all was gone. Y'all been chilling over there, just relaxing. Get up out the street for something bad happen. I don't need no accidents. Yeah, cause all this money and that time is spent. Yeah, that's how it goes, and I make it stop. Y'all better get out the streets before you hear the cops come over here and get to yelling. I got the people as they partying and they rebelling. Yeah, oh my God, girl, now you came back and you still ain't threw $1 in my hand. Still ain't show me your back. What's up with that? I need to know. You need to throw $1 or drop it low. That's the only thing, yeah, that I'm asking. Come on, girl, gonna make it happen. Yeah, that's right. Hold her purse. Come on, make it work. Don't be scared, don't be shy. You wore that dress, and you know why. You was at home, you was just chilling. You like, okay, I got this feeling.